It begins with a simple act, a moment of thirst. You reach for your water bottle, a constant companion at your desk, in your car, or at the gym. We trust it implicitly, rarely questioning what it might be adding to our lives beyond hydration. But what if, with every sip, we were introducing something unseen and unintended? Millions of us refill our bottles daily, believing we're making a smart, eco-friendly choice. Yet the plastic we hold is more complex than it appears. Not all plastics are created equal. Some are meant for single use, others for repeated refills. The distinction is crucial, but often overlooked. This is a story of chemistry and subtle changes, of how our environment interacts with our bodies. By understanding the materials we use, we can make choices that truly support our health. Our journey begins with a single humble plastic bottle and the water it contains. Let's look closer, read the signs, and understand the silent language of the objects we take for granted. Knowledge is the first step toward healthier habits. Look at the bottom of any plastic container and you'll find a triangle with a number inside. Many think it's just a recycling symbol, but it's actually a code, the resin identification code. Each number, from 1 to 7, reveals the type of plastic and its intended use. This code helps recycling facilities sort plastics, but it also tells us about safety and reuse. Number 1 is different from number 2, and number 5 is different still. The number indicates how stable the plastic is, how it reacts to heat, and its likelihood of leaching chemicals. Understanding this code is like reading a map to safer choices. Next time you pick up a bottle, check the number. It's more than a recycling guide. It's a message about your health. A simple glance can help you make a more mindful choice for yourself and your family. Learning this language transforms your relationship with everyday objects. Observation is the first step to understanding. Imagine 2 water bottles side by side. One is a thin, crinkly, single-use bottle, designed for one purpose, to hold water until you drink it. The other is sturdy, built for repeated use. The difference isn't just in feel, but in their molecular structure. The single-use bottle is usually made from peat, marked with a number 1. It's lightweight, but not built for repeated stress, microscopically fragile. The reusable bottle is likely polypropylene, number 5, robust, heat-resistant and durable. Manufacturers design these for daily wear and tear, yet many of us refill single-use bottles, asking them to do a job they weren't made for. Like using a paper cup as a mug, it works for a while, but eventually fails, sometimes invisibly. For peat bottles, the failure is chemical, not visible. It's a slow, silent process we need to understand. Let's explore what happens when we push these materials beyond their limits. Let's focus on the single-use bottle, marked number 1. Peat plastic is convenient, but not built for repeated use. Washing, squeezing, and daily wear create microscopic cracks. These cracks harbour bacteria, making thorough cleaning nearly impossible. More importantly, the plastic begins to break down, releasing chemicals, a process called leaching. Chemicals like phthalates and antimony can migrate into your water, especially with heat or repeated use. The process is slow, but cumulative exposure matters. Each refill, each wash increases the risk. What starts as a good intention can quietly introduce hidden dangers. Antimony, a word most of us never hear. Used in making peat bottles, it's safe when locked in the plastic, but can leach out over time. Studies show that new bottles release little antimony, but heat and age accelerate leaching. Leaving a bottle in a hot car or washing it in hot water increases the risk. Long-term, low-dose exposure is still being studied, but it's linked to irritation and potential organ effects. While a single use is unlikely to harm, repeated exposure is best avoided. We drink water for health. Our bottle should support that, not compromise it. Understanding this risk empowers us to make safer choices. Science gives us the tools to protect our well-being. The number inside the triangle is your guide. Number 1, peat is best for single use only. Number 2, HDPE is more stable and safer for reuse. Think milk jugs and sturdy bottles. Number 3, PVC should be avoided for food and drink. It can leach harmful chemicals. Number 4, LDPE is flexible and generally safe for reuse. Number 5, polypropylene is one of the best choices for reusable containers, durable and heat-resistant. Number 6, polystyrene is used for foam cups and take-out containers. Avoid for hot foods and drinks. Number 7 is a catch-all. It may contain BPA or other unknown plastics. Avoid unless labelled BPA-free. When in doubt, choose numbers 2 or 5 for reusable bottles. This simple knowledge helps you avoid hidden risks. The right number means a safer, healthier choice. Let the code guide your daily habits. Follow a single-use bottle through a day of reuse. Bought, emptied, refilled and taken to the gym. It's squeezed, dropped and exposed to heat. Scratches and stress create a breeding ground for bacteria. Left in a hot car, the plastic begins to break down, releasing antimony into the water. Washed with hot water, the process accelerates. This cycle repeats: home, car, work, gym, each step increasing risk. The user believes they're making a healthy, eco-friendly choice, but the bottle is slowly degrading, compromising the water inside. Millions repeat this scenario daily, unaware of the invisible changes. The combination of stress, bacteria and heat creates a perfect storm for contamination. The water we drink for health is quietly affected by the vessel we trust. Awareness turns a simple habit into an informed decision. The story of a bottle is more complex than it seems. Knowledge isn't a burden. It's a tool for better choices. Use single-use bottles once, then recycle them. For daily hydration, choose bottles made from number 2 or 5 plastics, designed for repeated use. These are more stable, less likely to leach chemicals, and safer for your health. Or look beyond plastic. Glass is inert and easy to clean, though fragile. Stainless steel is durable, lightweight, and won't leach chemicals. Investing in a quality bottle is an investment in your well-being. It's not about perfection, but progress, one small step toward healthier habits. Check the number, choose wisely, and protect your health. A simple switch can make a big difference. Replace hidden risks with confident, safe choices. Your water deserves the best vessel. Our daily choices shape our health, often in ways we don't see. Refilling a water bottle seems minor, but it connects us to unseen worlds of chemistry and biology. With knowledge, we turn unconscious habits into acts of self-care. The plastic bottle is no longer just a container. It's a story, a science, a choice. By listening to that story, we protect ourselves from unintended harm. The power is in your hands. Check the number, choose glass or stainless steel, recycle single-use bottles. Small, thoughtful actions add up to a foundation of well-being. This isn't about fear, but about respect and curiosity. Let's move forward with awareness, making choices that support our health and the planet. The simple act of choosing a water bottle becomes a symbol of mindful living. Knowledge gives us power. One sip at a time, we build a healthier future.